I'm here today with Ron and Rebecca Tucker, who are the executive producers of the Beaufort Film Society and the Beaufort International Film Festival. And we're coming up on our 17th film festival. And in honor of the film festival, we are making buttered popcorn creme brulee. We get together every year and do some sort of a popcorn treat. So this is our offering for this year. What I have is 1 cup of heavy cream and 3/4 of a cup of milk. And I use skim milk, so it doesn't really matter which milk you use. And we're going to steep 4 cups of buttered popcorn that we popped in the microwave in the milk.
Ooh. Can I use a spoon first?
You can use whatever you need.
All right, I'll just kind of gather it in here.
And while Rebecca's doing that, I'm going to very quickly whisk together 6 egg yolks with some sugar and salt.
I've got
Hey, it's okay. Popcorn goes everywhere.
Sorry.
No, it'll be good. We always scatter popcorn for the picture at the end anyway.
There we go.
Get those 4 cups in there.
All right.
And I'm just going to whisk these egg yolks until the sugar is dissolved and incorporated. And while we're doing this, Ron's going to talk about the film festival a little bit.
Okay, doke. Well, we have a full slate of films. We have just about every type of film you can possibly want. There are several categories.
I didn't want to touch
We
it.
have feature films, documentaries, both long and short. We have short films, student films, animation films, and we have screenplays. So there's a little bit for everybody, and a lot of different topics. The feature films are we have 4 of them. One is a foreign film from Germany. We have Bobcat Moretti, which stars some folks that have been to BIF before, Rob Margulies and Tim Realbuto. And it stars Vivica A. Fox. A lot of people know her. We have several strong documentaries as well. One called Storming Caesar's Palace, which a lot of people will say, I've never heard of this event before. I had never heard of the event, so it's a little bit of history and something that people will walk away from saying, I didn't know that. And we have several short films that I think people are going to be pretty amazed by. There's several that's going to make you laugh, and there's several that are going to make you cry. There's a few that are going to make you mad. But for the most part, all the films are going to leave you feeling something. So we're looking forward to it, and the filmmakers for about 75% of the films are going to be with us, and they'll get to talk about their film, and the folks will get to hear what they have to say and have an opportunity to ask questions. So.
And it's always so much fun, and it's so cool to meet the filmmakers and to be there. It's the most exciting week in February in Beaufort, and we hope for nice weather.
Yeah.
Kind of warm weather.
Absolutely.
I mean, it'll either snow or it'll be 80 degrees.
Right.
Yeah, one
So,
or the
one
other.
or the other.
Or it could be both.
It could.
Yeah,
it could.
all in the same
One
week.
year we
Sure.
started off with a nice storm, we ended up with 70-degree weather. So.
Set that over there.
Yes, absolutely.
So we've let this popcorn steep in the milk and heavy cream.
Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. We'll
So-
mess you up.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So we're just going to strain it. Because you don't actually want popcorn in your creme brulee.
May I get this
Oh.
out of the way?
Please and thank you.
That's interesting.
Yeah, so we're just getting the flavor.
Okay.
But look how much 4 cups.
Wow.
Yeah. The
Wow.
popcorn is one of the major food
Yeah.
groups during film festival.
Well, who knew?
Yeah. So you put that.
I
out
would be
there.
happy
I
to.
hope I'm doing this like I'm supposed to.
Awesome.
All right. So what I want to do now is add just a little bit of this steeped cream and milk to the egg yolks. Just a teeny bit while I'm whisking, because I want to temper the egg yolks. This is still hot or warm enough from where it was on the stove that it could actually cook the eggs, and you don't want scrambled eggs in your creme brulee. So we got that going. And then we just dump this in here.
Oh, we're learning so much here.
Yeah, well this job, people are so intimidated by creme brulee, and it's about the easiest dessert ever. I mean, you see it's basically cream, milk, eggs, and sugar and vanilla.
So Some of my favorites.
I know. It's almost like snow cream. You know, you can smell. It has that smell.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to divide this equally into 4 ramekins, and my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. These are 6-ounce ramekins,
Okay.
and I'm going to cook this uncovered until the centers are just jiggly. Before I do, I've heated some water, and I'm just going to pour this around the edges, about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. And this is a water bath, so this keeps the edges from overcooking and lets the custard cook evenly in the middle. So that just goes in the oven, and it goes, gosh, I can't remember exactly, I think it's 20 minutes until the centers are jiggly. But for the recipe, please visit my website, www.cateringbydebbycovington.com, and look for butter popcorn creme brulee. So I've already made some creme brulee, and it's had time to set up.
I was going to say, let me help.
Yeah, get this out of the way. It's been in the refrigerator overnight, and you can see
Mm-hmm.
how beautiful it is.
Yum.
And you can also see that the butter, that there's definitely some butter in it.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we're going to get Ron, who has
Uh-oh.
never bruleed before.
This is the most dangerous part.
Yeah, so everybody, we're standing back because we all have hairspray.
Exactly.
Okay.
So all you do at this point is it's about, I don't know, a teaspoon of sugar. You want to kind of scatter it. And we're just going to burn that sugar. And the sugar will make a crust. It's almost, I always think of it like if you're going ice skating, it's that layer of ice before you fall into the water. Yeah.
Sheen.
Yeah, it's just that crispy glass. All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay.
Ready to do one? You want to do it?
I'll do it.
All right.
I'll put my, I don't have safety glasses, so I'll put my Hollywood shades
Rockstar,
on.
yes.
There you
Rockstar
go.
glasses.
All right. Now,
All right.
now what am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Just push the red button. Well, do it. Push the red button first and then aim it. Hold on. Here you go.
Put the red button first.
Wait. Do it this way. Let's
Okay.
start it first.
There you go.
Okay, and then you hold it.
All right.
Okay.
Got it.
Hold it down.
Hold it down.
I got it.
Okay.
There you go.
Do each one?
Yeah, but see, no, you aren't done.
You're
What
not
you doing
done
now?
there.
You want it to get,
Oh,
you want
I
it to get
see.
burnt.
Yeah.
Brulee means burnt sugar.
Okay.
So get this side a little bit. This side. There you go.
Okay.
All right, that's good. No, keep on. Keep
do
on.
the other one?
Yeah,
Doing great. Oh my gosh, now we have to get one of those.
I know.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to purchase one of these tomorrow.
These are fun.
Oh, yeah. That's too cool. Thank you
Okay,
very
that's
much.
good.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just make it.
I got it now.
Yeah.
We need a fireman.
Yeah.
Susan, get your husband.
Yes. That looks good.
That's good.
All right, we got it. Oh, this is the most fun part of the show. There. Wow.
Debbie, thank you
That's
for
great.
everything.
Oh.
Thanks,
You're
y'all.
awesome.
How fun
How
is
about
that?
that?
I'm sorry, we have to turn it off now.
Oh.
Okay, put it on.
I don't know.
Where's our safety officer?
We're good. Now look. So these just need to cool for just a
Oh,
minute,
okay.
Okay.
and then we will dig in.
Sounds great.
Awesome.
All right.
Yes.
We are again at the tasting portion of this video, and I'm going to hand one to Susan.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
We are joined by Beaufort International Film Festival's official photographer, Susan DeLoach.
Aha. Absolutely. World's greatest photographer.
Thank you,
Yes.
Debbie.
She
Mhm.
is fabulous.
Yes, she is.
All right, see, and when you do, look,
All right.
you got the crust.
Oh,
Hey, this is
my
awesome.
God.
Ron, you did good.
I must have. Look,
He can do things besides movie stuff.
there you go.
Mm,
I can handle a blowtorch.
very good.
But it tastes like popcorn.
It does.
Yes.
Isn't that amazing?
I was on the fence, guys. It is really good.
It is very good.
Well, this is the first time I've ever made it, and it's definitely going to be added to my repertoire. What a fun popcorn recipe. though.
Popcorn creme brulee.
And I love popcorn, and I'm not
I know,
really
I love
supposed to eat
popcorn,
it,
too.
but I eat it
It's awesome.
occasionally.
And I've already got some popcorn recipe ideas for next year's video before the 18th annual Beaufort International Film Festival. We hope to see y'all in February. Join us on the red carpet. See you at the movies.
Thank
See you
you.
at the movies.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.